Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page for yourself or for your business in very simple steps. Keep watching this video till the end. I'll show you everything in detail. So the first thing you have to do is open Facebook, and on the left you will find all these different properties. For example, friends, memories, groups, reels. So if you don't find pages here, all you have to do is click on see more, and when you come down a little you will find pages. Just click on that, and once you are here you will see all the pages that you currently have. If you want to create a page, just click on create page and choose public page and go ahead and click next, and here you can just go ahead and click get started. So you can go ahead and name the page. For example, I'll just name my page Wicked Tech, and I'll just choose a proper category as technology or tech. Okay, and I'll just put some bio. For example, I create videos. Okay, and then I can go ahead and click next. After this, they are asking for some information like website, phone number, email, and everything. You can enter all this. If you are a business, you can choose always open or open during selected hours, and you can choose like which days you're open and everything. You can just go ahead and enter all this information. For now, I'm not doing it. I'll just keep it as always open. So whenever you want, you can edit that inside the page settings itself. So go ahead and click next, and now we can add a profile picture as well as a cover picture. So I'll do next anyways, and I can enter a WhatsApp number. And the next thing is that we can invite all our friends to join this page or like this page. That's completely up to you, but for now I'm just going to click next. And if you want to get notifications on your profile, then you can go ahead and click this one. And if you want to receive any emails or promotions, you can click this one. For now I'll disable this one. I'll just enable this one and just click done. And now our page is created. So there's 0 followers, and that's what happens when you create a brand new page. So you'll have to work really hard and engage with content, and you have to create engaging content to bring in more followers on a daily basis. So if you want to add a profile picture over here, you can just click on that and choose your profile picture from your computer just by clicking over here, and you can add any picture you want. Okay, so also the same for the cover picture as well. Just click here and you can upload a picture. So this is how we create a Facebook page in our account. So if we want to go back to our real account, you have to click here on this profile picture here and choose which account we want to go back to. So this is my Facebook account, and this is my Facebook page. So I'm currently logged into the Facebook page. So I can go back to my account by just clicking here, and then if I have to log back to the Facebook page, I can choose the same option here. Also, we can go back to the home page and we can see our Facebook pages on the left. It's added as shortcuts. So that's how we create a Facebook page. If you guys found this video helpful, do like and also subscribe to my channel. I make amazing tech based content. Anyways, thank you and have a nice day.